We're talking about the importance of affirmations. So affirmations are used to reduce stress. It's able to like calm you, and it basically boosts your self-esteem, your confidence. It improves your mindset. But the thing is, like, you can't do it Monday and then skip a few days and do it Sunday. You have to be consistent if you want to see results. Do I believe in using affirmations? Of course, every single month I write I write a new affirmation. I either make one myself or I go on to TikTok and I look for one. Affirmations can be used for any part of your life. It can be if you're trying to like um have like a glow up in your skin, your body transformation, um relationship wise, finance wise. So you can use it for everything, but like when you use these affirmations, mean every word you say, then you'll see like results happening like immediately.